So let me get this straight anyway. How did I reconcile with Paula Nunez and Arnel Guerrera Castillo, aka Best Pills? So this is the time I reconcile. Thanks to my friend Felix Sabines and Kathleen Canete that I reconcile Paula Nunez and Arnel Guerrera Castillo, name Best Pills. Because me, I don't want too much enemies. I know Paula Nunez. She's my classmate in CDIFI. I know Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo. He's a super Kapuso fan. And he's a fan of GMA7. Just like Ronan Kayabyab. But first of all, I never want to pick a fight with Paula Nunez. I know this is hard to say, guys. Paula Nunez and Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, they are not my enemies. Why? They are not my enemies because if you treat them an enemy, if you treat them as your rivalry, I cannot treat them as an enemy. Oh. Me, I was making enemies at Paulo Cruzada and Jordan Bunagan. And for me, I'm only advised to Paula Nunez and Arnel Guerrera Castillo, aka Best Pills. Block those two imbecile, Paulo Cruzada and Jordan Bunagan. First of all, guys, I told to my friend Apollo Sanchez, he already blocked Jordan Bunagan. He already unfriend Jordan Bunagan. Because, you know, Jordan Bunagan is a bully. Just like Paulo Cruzada. Oh. I know, right? Because me, I never want to side with Jordan Bunagan. Oh. I asked my friends, even Tera Francisco and Roylan Marlang and Dan Mardayaw, especially Cedric Mariano as well, even Jerick Silva, you should be treat friends with Paula Nunez and even Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo. I know both of them are from Quezon City. We should be friends with them. Only I'm saying we should be friends. Because me, I was angry at them formerly. I treat them as an enemy. I've been enemies with Paula since 2021 until 2025. For almost let me see, 2022, 2023, 2024. It's almost 4 years. Maybe I make enemies at Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo last year. For almost last year. I never want to make enemies. And perhaps if you make an enemy, do not make too much enemies. That's enough already. Just like I said before, you remember Bill and Yvette, they reconcile each other. I talked to Bill Galang last in May in Messenger. We just discussed about reconciliation. You know, guys, let's stop this enemies. Even Paulo Cruzada and even Jordan Bunagan, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, do not make too much enemies. Even you, Teacher Maxi, me Max Vargas, even Wawel Romero, all of you are making enemies. All of you are assholes. All of you are son of a bitches. That's very enough about making enemies. You know that?